it's another sunny Saturday, and I'm out on the road with the boys from Lost Scouts, and of course, BGT Magic Mat. It's the perfect way to socially distance. Well, for today's ride, I thought I'd check out the difference in quality between a chest-mounted GoPro against a cheaper camera that's mounted on the handlebars. To be honest, I'm pretty amazed at how the cheaper camera is holding out. That camera cost about £40, whereas a GoPro is about £300. So if you're looking for a camera to record your bike rides, you can't really go wrong with this cheap little number. So why have I called this video Keeps Falling Off My Bike? Well, that's because stuff keeps falling off my bike. When I got home from filming the last video about the three main issues on my 125, I realised that the end part of my handlebar had fallen off. And halfway through filming this video, I realised that my pillion foot peg had fallen off.
Every time we come out...
Alright.
Every time we come out and something... Oh, for fuck's sake! What's up now, Nick? Can't believe my bloody pillion peg's just fallen off. It's gone! It's gone! Every time. It's like driving with Hansel and Gretel, except they don't drop breadcrumbs, they drop bits of their bike. Right.
So I have been the butt of many a joke. I think the vibrations have caused some of my screws and bolts to come undone. So Nick, what's come off your bike today? As long as it's not me, I'll be happy. Ah, yes. That's a picture right there.